William kneels in the soft grass, his fingers trembling slightly as he grips a leaf that pulses with a steady, eerie blue light. It is unlike anything he has ever seen. Chewy the dog trots over, his nose twitching with curiosity as he circles the glowing object. Nearby, Bubbles the bird lands with a flurry of feathers, flapping his wings with frantic energy. William holds the leaf up high, his brow furrowed in deep thought. He looks at his friends and asks, "Chewy, Bubbles, why is this leaf glowing blue?" Behind them, the ancient wooden WonderGate begins to creak. A rhythmic blue light pulses from its frame, syncing perfectly with the leaf in William's hand. One by one, the symbols on the gate, a leaf, a star, and a paw print, ignite with brilliant power. A swirl of blue sparkles erupts, spiraling into the air.
Chewy lets out a sharp, excited bark, and the gate glows even brighter in response. Bubbles pecks at the bottom plank,
and with a sudden whoosh, the gate swings open, revealing a hidden forest of miniature glowing trees.
William stands up, his eyes wide with amazement. "It is a color adventure," he declares.
As the trio steps through the threshold, the world stretches. They shrink down until they are no taller than a single blade of grass. Above them, towering trees sprout leaves of vibrant red, blue, and yellow. Glowing sprites drift through the branches, chiming like small bells. Chewy sniffs a red leaf,
leaving glowing red paw prints on the moss. Bubbles pecks a yellow leaf, sending a shower of sparkles into the air.
William touches a blue leaf, and ripples spread across the forest floor like water. A stone tablet rises from the ground, displaying 3 empty circles. William points and says,
"We have to match the colors." They work together, placing the primary colors into their slots. But then,
the tablet shifts, showing new empty circles for orange, green, and purple. "We have to make new colors," William explains. He holds a red leaf against a yellow one, and orange sparkles ignite in his palm.
Chewy pushes blue and yellow together to create green energy, while Bubbles mixes red and blue for a burst of purple fireworks. Red and yellow make orange, blue and yellow make green, red and blue make purple. The glow sprites cheer as the tablet shines. Suddenly, the forest fades, and the trio returns to their normal size in the backyard.
The adventure is over, but the bond is stronger. William looks at the gate and says,
"We solved the color puzzle together." Chewy leans forward to boop William's hand, while Bubbles hops happily. Then,
William feels a warmth from his backpack. He opens it to find a new symbol glowing on the fabric, a rainbow.
He smiles warmly and says, "That means another adventure is coming." The gate closes with a final, soft sparkle.